So this crane here, Hammerhead, right? Starting reclamation from 1899, the construction of the Shinko Pier, completed in 1914 with the installation of this Hammerhead crane manufactured in the UK, United Kingdom. The Japan's first ever crane exclusively used for cargo handling at the piers. Since then it had been in use for 88 years until 2001, supporting and modernization of the port of Yokohama. It preserved in an operational condition and is one of the 5 cranes imported from the United Kingdom. In the early 20th century, 3 of the 5 cranes still remain in Nagasaki, Sasebo, and here in Yokohama, the Hammerhead. Wow. When you go to Liverpool, when you go to Portsmouth, when you go to Newcastle, you will see some of these cranes.